Hello everyone, thank you for joining the session. This is day 2, happiness and happiness. So I am so happy everybody has shared beautifully their happy instances of the yesterday. So day 1 we decided to find out the 5 places in the current day, in the present day, where you feel happiness, and you have to share in the group with the thank you moment. So everybody has shared their instances where they were happy yesterday. This is really awesome. So it is easy to find out. Only the thing is we have to make our attention in that direction. We have to give some awareness to find out the thank you moment. Even if you will see, they are more than 5. However, we are keeping the limit to 5 only, so that everybody can share. Still, the happy moments are the almost the thank you moments. When we are sharing the thank you moment, that means we are happy at that time. That is the reason we are giving the thank you to the other person. So thank you moment also is a happy moment. So you are finding the one thank you moment and the 5 happy moment. That means you are finding the 6 happy moment of the day. And if you will see, they are more than that in your day-to-day life. You are getting the perfect health, you are getting the help from your managers, if you are getting the help from your service providers. So many examples are there. These are the counting the blessings. So there are lot of blessings available. There are lot of blessings available in our day-to-day life. Just we have to make ourselves conscious and be happy in that moment and say loudly, I am so happy. So this is the word we are going to use. This is the sentence we are going to use for the next 4 days. Now what we have to do today? Today is the day 2. We have to traverse our childhood and find out one happy moment from our childhood, when we were happy in our childhood. For example, as a child you were looking for a dress, you were looking for a birthday gift, and you got that gift or you got that dress, and you are so happy. You are wearing that dress, you are jumping here and there, you are showing your dress to everyone. So you were happy at that moment. Just go back and recall that happy moment which made you happy at that your childhood. I know there are a lot of happy moments. However, we have to just share one happy moment from our childhood. Then come to the your adulthood, when you are teenager or you are in college or you are grown up, and you were doing something good in your life, and you were happy for that thing as you have done it, or you got award, you got the prize, or you got the first position somewhere. So you were happy for that moment at your college time, at your um, job, initially days of the job, or when you were in the teenage. So find out the another thank you moment of that time when you are just grown up. And the third thank you moment or the happy moment, you have to find out till yesterday. Okay, so till yesterday, when you are married, or you are doing some, you are grown up and you are in love, or whatever you are doing, you are feeling happy. So that third moment will come from your adulthood, or your office life, or your job life, or your family life. Maybe for example, somebody had become the father, he was happy at that moment, and somebody had become mother, she was happy at that moment. So those are the happy moments for those people. Okay, so find out the 3 instances from your past. Until yesterday you can say that is past, because present is today only. So till past, what you got? So find out the 3 instances, one from childhood, another from teenage, or third from your adulthood. So 3 instances, and write in the group, I was so happy when I got this award, I was so happy when I got this particular gift from someone. So by that way you have to share in the group, and for every sentence you have to write that I was so happy, I was super happy, I was super happy. So that is the past we are doing. At the same time, we have to do the present happiness also. So we have to find out the 5 places of today's day where you are feeling happy. So that we have done yesterday also. The similar way we will find out the 5 happy moment during the day today also. Okay, so and the third activity we have to do, we have to find out the thank you moment of the day. So these three things we are going to do in today's day. So now what you can ask me, what is the concept of taking from the past and then the present? Actually, we want to connect the nodes from the past and present. If we were happy in the past, we sometimes we are not going there, sometimes we are not remembering that, recalling that, like yes, sometime we were happy in the past, so we can be happy today also. So that is the purpose, to take the starter from the past and make the curd today. So the process of making the curd is always depending of the starter, and the starter, if we are taking the goat, then the curd will be sweet and tasty. So that is based on, if we are collecting the past happy moments, then we can generate the happiness for today and tomorrow. Now when we are going back and covering all the past instances for the happiness, so we got the starter from the past, and then we are finding the happy moments in the current day, in the today's day, in the present day, so that we are connecting with today, which is the milk, and then we are making the curd for future, so that all the nodes are connected somehow. Okay, so your past is connected with the present, and past and present is connected with the future. Future is not coming in the future, future is definitely coming in the present day. So the key of the major key factor or the feature is, we should be happy in today's day, we should be happy in the present day. If we were happy in the past day, we were happy in the future, if we can think of by the creative visualization, we should also vibrate on the happiness of today's day, because everything of the future is coming in the present. And if you are not happy in the present day, you cannot be happy in the future. So just go back, collect your happy moments from your past, connect them with the present day. Find out your 5 moments, happy moments of today's day. Share in the group with the thank you moment. And then we can see, like, our past and present both are happy. Then definitely we are going to receive the happiness from the future also. We will just invite the future from the happiness. By doing this, we are just catching the frequency with the universe of happiness. Yes, universe, we are happy today, we were happy today, we will be happy today, tomorrow. So by that way, we are tuning ourselves for connecting the nodes of happiness in the universe, so that all the happy moments should come to us to make us happy. Okay, so this is all about, let me brief in one line again. We have to share the past 3 instances of our childhood, our teenager or the grown up or the adulthood, and then we have to share the 5 instances of the present day of the happiness, and then we have to share the one thank you moment. So this is all about from my side for today's session. We will connect tomorrow at the same time. Thank you everyone for joining the session.